Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo están? Yo estoy muy bien. El día de hoy vamos a hablar de las partes del cuerpo, parts of the body. Now, I'm gonna give you all the words, the vocabulary, but then we're gonna use some phrases that they're gonna serve us, and they're gonna be very useful for us when we wanna talk about things that we do with our body. Okay, just stay tuned, follow me, sígueme, and let's start with the vocabulary. Okay, the first word would be la cabeza, the head. Los ojos, el ojo, los ojos, our eyes. La nariz, la nariz. La boca, boca y dientes, dientes. El cuello, el cuello. El estómago, estómago. El brazo, arms. La mano, ¿ok? La mano, las manos. Las uñas, las uñas. La pierna, oh, no puedo. But here is the picture. La pierna y el pie, el pie. Los dedos de los pies. Those are the toes. Los dedos, like the same thing that we say with our fingers that we have on our hands, but we need to add del pie, los dedos del pie. Okay? We also have las orejas, orejas, el pelo, pelo o cabello, las axilas, esto es axilas, el tobillo, ¡oh! No puedo, el tobillo y that's it. Those are the only words that we're gonna use, okay? Now, you see the pictures, write them down, practice it a little bit. Now, let's practice our sentences. What we can say about our body, okay? Por ejemplo, en inglés, tú usas me duele la cabeza. I have a headache. Me duele la cabeza. Duele is to hurt. Duele la cabeza. Or you can say, me duele la mano. Me duele la mano. Me duele el pie. Me duele el estómago. Me duele el estómago. You see, we're using the exactly same verb, hurt, with different part of the body. Now, if you're a nurse or if you're a doctor, those phrases are really useful for you. If somebody comes, they don't speak English, and then you know, I know, she's hurting something. The only thing that you need to learn are the parts of the body in Spanish. Okay, now if you are the one that is hurting, right? Well, it's easy. Just learn the names of the body and the word. Me duele. It hurts. Now let's move on to the next verb or next phrase that we can use when we are talking about our body. Me puse crema. Okay. Crema is lotion. Okay, lotion. And then you just put it, me puse. That's in the past tense because you put it, we can say me estoy poniendo, which is progressive, but we're gonna say that it's something that already passed. Me puse. I put myself lotion. Me puse crema. en las manos. Me puse crema en la cara. Cara is another word that we did not put it on our vocabulary and it's very useful. So this is cara, okay? Me puse crema en la cara. Me puse crema en las piernas, okay? En los brazos me puse crema, okay? Probably you're doing the same thing that I'm doing. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next verb will be me quebré. I broke my arm. I broke my arm. Me quebré el brazo. Me quebré el brazo. Ay, me duele el brazo. Me quebré el brazo. Okay, the verb is to broke, right? To break, I'm sorry. And it's quebrar. The verb is quebrar. But since we're doing it because something that happened, right, to us, we can say me quebré, in past tense, el brazo, o me quebré la pierna, me quebré el dedo, ay, me duele, me quebré, ¿ok? Ahora sigue. Me mojé. This is getting wet. I wet, me mojé los pies. Cuando estamos afuera and we jump in water on a puddle, we say me mojé. I got wet. Me mojé los pies. Or me mojé las manos. Me mojé el pelo. It's not to wash, it's just to get wet. Okay? Me mojé. Another word that we use, very common, me quemé, is to be burned. Me quemé. Quemar is to burn. But we're going to use it in the past tense. Me quemé la mano. Me quemé la mano. Cuando estamos cocinando unos huevitos, enchiladas, y tenemos que voltear la tortilla. Ay, me quemé. I know we're Mexicans and I can do it fast, but I still get burned. So I say, me quemé los dedos, me quemé la mano o me quemé el pelo. ¿Por qué? Con el tinte. Right? We put color and sometimes it just get burned. Okay. Otra frase that we say is me piqué, to poke my eye. Me piqué, ay, me piqué el ojo. Mis ojos, me piqué el ojo. I poke my eye. Okay, those are expressions that we use them like randomly, right? But that does happen. Okay. We can say, me piqué la oreja, using the Q-tip. Ow, me duele la oreja, me piqué. Okay? And the next one would be limpiar. Okay, limpiar is to clean, But we can say, me limpié la oreja, me limpié los ojos, I cleaned my eyes, I cleaned my ear, okay? It's not to wash, it's to clean, okay? And then you can say, me limpié la pierna. If you had mud or something, you can say, me limpié la pierna. Okay. Now let's use another verb, another phrase that is very useful. Me pinté, okay? Pintar is to color. Me pinté is to color, that you colored something. And we can use me pinté las uñas or me pinté los ojos. Me pinté el pelo rubio. Me pinté. Okay, rubio is blonde. Okay. Otra frase. puede ser me corté, ¿ok? You can say to cut, cortar es to cut, ¿ok? So we can say me corté las uñas or me corté el pelo, me lo corté, ¿ok? Chiquito. O me corté la mano. ¡Ay, me duele! Me corté la mano. ¡Ay, mucha sangre! Mucha sangre. Tengo mucha sangre aquí. Ayúdenme. ¿Ok? Me corté. I cut myself. ¿Ok? Ahora, otro es me rasuré. Me rasuré. And usually these are words that the guys say, right? I don't even talk about this with nobody. I think nobody cares about it. Probably you do. But if you want to use it, here you go. Me rasuré would be shave. Okay? Shaving. But you can say me rasuré las axilas. Me rasuré las axilas. Me rasuré las piernas. Rasurar is to shave, okay? Or me rasuré. I don't know if you do your eyebrows, las cejas, eyebrows. I don't know if you guys do it. I just don't do it. I use that thing, which is it hurts. I don't like to do it. Maybe that's why I'm so hairy, you know. But oh well, it's just the way I am. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Me falseé. That's very common. Me falseé el pie. I sprained my foot. Or I sprained my ankle. Oh, my foot, it hurts. Me falseé el pie. Me falseé el pie. No puedo jugar fútbol. Me falseé. Me duele. Ay, no puedo. No puedo jugar. Okay, me falseé. Me falseé would be I sprained. Ok, otra palabra. Me soné. Me soné. That's I blow my nose. Me soné la nariz. Ugh. Something that my students do a lot in my classroom. Ugh, I don't like that. But we see my kids doing that. Well, I just send them, go outside. And that is me soné la nariz. That's the only thing that you can do, okay? You cannot do your eyes. Me soné los ojos. No, that sounds like you're punching your eyes. That would be another expression. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about me soné. I blew my nose, or I blow my nose. Okay? And last one. Los dientes. Me lavé los dientes. Me lavé. I brushed my teeth. My teeth. Guys, let's brush our teeth. We need to have our teeth white and our smile, big smile, so we can be able to smile. Otherwise, we're going to be hiding it, right? Okay, guys. Well, these are the only phrases that I have. Practice them. Use them once in a while when you talk to somebody. And if I'm missing something, let me know on the description. Probably I can add a few more. And if you would like me to do a different kind of video about other things in Spanish, just let me know in the description. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Hasta luego. Adiós.